Hi, how you doing today? I hope everyone is good. Today I will explain how we install Cpanel on Rocky Linux 9.2. First, if you do not know how to install Rocky Linux on a Proxmox or Inkhost Cloud, you have to watch the previous video. Now we will install the Rocky Linux first, then we do the rest from the terminal. First, we hit the installation, graphical installation, and we will wait some time. All videos is powered by Inkhost. So if you have any question related with operation systems, with host and cloud, you need to contact us, just ask us on the video or contact us on the contact page on our website. Here, the 9.2 Rocky Linux is a special edition, the special kernel. It needs to change the processor type to host, like from Intel to or AMD to host. That means it will host the processor from the dedicated CPU to the something is called host CPU. Okay, now we will choose the language. In Cpanel, we do not need to configure the network configuration from the Rocky Linux things, Usually I do configuration through the installation, but because I will install Cpanel, I do not need anything to do. Now I will put the root password, as you see. Okay. Also, I will create another user is backup for administration user. Let's put Inkhost or choose any user you would like. Select make this administration user. Also, we put the password. You can use it later. As well as you can choose the password you remember, because this password is root. If you forgot them, you cannot access to the server again. As well as you have to check the time zone for your country, language, keyboard, and like source. We already have it in our cloud. Do not play with software. Do not play with network, because everything we will reconfiguration through the Cpanel installation. Just install as a local computer. How you can get this VPS or dedicated servers through our website, through our inkhost.net. You can purchase any cloud hosting or VPS hosting, and if you need a dedicated server, we will take care of all these processes. You do not care about installation, maintenance, you do not care about anything. And now I will talk about my experience with Rocky Linux 9.2. It's a lot different. It's better than the Alma Linux, as well as is a clone of Red Hat Enterprise. It's a lot feature going on, a lot security. They update kernel. You will get a lot. You have to try it, and I will do an Inkhost website 7 days trial. You can trial these through the website. I mean, you can check it in our website. Here will take 30 minutes. I mean, yeah, 30 minutes. I will speed up from now until the loading done. Welcome back again. After the installation done, we will wait 5 seconds and we hit the restart system. As you see, the system is restarting now. It takes like maybe a minute or less, 30 seconds to start on. As you see the system loading, Rocky Linux will come now. You know, the best practice I saw in the Linux, but there is better system for the Cpanel. It's called the Cloud Linux, but that is not free. So we will put root because we need to work on root user. What? Okay, some graphical issue on Rocky Linux. Yeah, we got Rocky Linux, but we have to update it first because this one need update. After we get everything done, we need to configure network first with dedicated IP before install anything, before install update, before install the Cpanel. We have to have the dedicated IP. We go to the network and wired setting, and we go to the connect disable network first and go to the configuration. We go to the IPv6. We don't need them because we do not work with IPv6. I disable it on the system. After I install Cpanel, I will disable it from Cpanel again. From IPv4, we will choose manual, and we got this table. We put the IP address. So I have IP address for the recording videos. So this one is public IP address 198.168.72.26. Okay, so we copy this one and we put 26 here, or we can put the full like net mask, but that is easy for me. I know the number, but you have to get the dedicated IP address from your hosting provider. If you are with us, I will provide you the dedicated IP address with full information. The gateway ending with 1. Also, we need to turn off the automatic DNS, and we put our DNS 68.105 for .28 or 29 same .16. So here everything done. We do not need all this configuration. So we do not have a routing. As you see, apply and reconnect everything. We go to the terminal first and check the Google if it's Bing or not. Bing space Google, you know. Okay, google.com. Okay, I just reload the screen here. Reload. As you see, is a Bing, you know. I need to check. Yeah, it's Bing. Okay, I will cancel it and I will go to the Inkhost knowledge panel. We go to the Firefox, you know, because all instruction over there. We close this panel too. I need to check why the screen is playing with me. Okay, we go from browser inkhost.net, inkhost.net, and enter. You know, we go to the support center, we go to the knowledge, and we go to the server section, dedicated server, and we go to the, actually I installed it before on the Alma Linux 8, but same process, you know. I will record another video for the Alma Linux 9.2, so watch, like, just wait. So here we use like two terminal things, yum update, yum upgrade. But in Alma Linux, I mean in Rocky Linux, we can use DNF, like update. Will take time, I know, so I will speed up this process. Now is complete update, and we need to upgrade it. You know, sometimes we do not need that, but I will do. It's very easy. You can do yum or DNF. You know, I love DNF. DNF upgrade. Right. DNF upgrade. I think, yeah, it's wrong. Yes, like this. DNF upgrade. Okay, yes. So tell me everything done. We do not need anything. Let's start installation. First we need to put this one here on our website. We close the privacy, our website like here to follow the instruction. First we need to do something. Clear, enter, and we will install like Perl and Perl 2, like both of these like extensions, you know. Yes, as you see, it's very fast. You know, we have a speed up until 10 gigabytes per second, you know. From dedicated server, need a lot of speed. As you see here in our website, after download all these, we will go, this one is actually 2 codes, is not just one. So after everything done, we just copy and paste, you know. Before before this step, you have to make sure everything correctly in your server, you know. Now we download everything. We download the Cpanel script on server. And the home, like you see, it change to the home direction. So to start the Cpanel installation, sh latest, yeah, like this, and that's it. It take 30 minutes or less to install everything. As well as I will explain everything after installation in different video, you know, but I will do some things before we, like, you know, before end this video, like how we like set the Cpanel like this, and how we connect it to the cloud account in Cpanel, as well as something related that previously we have to disable like firewall to start an installation, but I think now they fix this bug. We do not need it. We will check 9.2 that you do not need it, but I will check with you in this video, you know. So in next video I will explain the like tricks on the Cpanel, make it faster, make it trusted, make it like easy to use, you know, everything you need to know before start your hosting company or your like website or anything related with web solution, you know. So I will speed up this process, you know, until done, then I will come back to you. As you see, like after like everything done, you got this color, this text color, and it tell you have to go to the IP address, you know. Do you see this IP address? Just copy. If you work through the, okay, actually it's remove the screen, you know. I do not know. I will log in again. But this one happened because we will remove the graphic thing on the server to make no, it's roots. As you see, we work on root and the password for your root. I will show you how I remove everything and make it make Cpanel faster, but it's not in this video, you know. So we will check the IP address with the, okay, let's like a browser open and I will check everything. So with the IP address 98.168.72.26 and 2.2087, enter. As you see, give you this message. Just make the screen bigger, go to the advanced, because it's no SSL, take a risk, and all we got it. You got the Cpanel. Now just root and password. Okay, I will show you everything here. Do not play with everything until. So as you see here, we have to get the trial version of Cpanel first, you know. So just hit continue. It's trial version, you know. And in next video, I'll show you how we, you know, how we like configure the Cpanel, you know. Post .NET. This our cloud account. As you see, we will get a trial account, trial version of Cpanel, and later on I will show you how we like purchase a license, you know, in the next video, and how we start the server like setup, you know. As you see here, I will keep everything as is, you know, because we can change everything later, you know. As you see, now we got a Cpanel account, WHM server, you know. We have a Rocky Linux, as you say, 9.2. We have update, we have to go to the, reboot the server to enable server quote, like all this configuration. I will show you everything in next video. Just hit like, subscribe, and follow me in next video.